iyasho bafethu ithi ophoyetha methe ukuthi imdudu to my dali the funeral 7 okhona u7 omkhulu 777 abamaziyo kodwa bambiza ngothando akaButhelezi uShenge uSokalisa umnyamane kaNqingelele uSondiya sanibonani abshini minjani compliments of the new season guys it's been a while since singekho bafethu yazi nama ups and downs bewakhona yazi so nyazi abababa they've missed our show yazi to our loyal supporters guys we back and consistency sinayo this year ama plans mabaya but asikho lapho bafethu yazini vandag ngiphethele ucomputer unjabulo bamazi ngotata but then yena uzosibakela yena ukuthi ubani kanjani tata mfuthu kanjani ngamanye omnandi hayi omnandi njalo ngicela ukuthi unjabulo ubani
unjabulo umatataze asethokoza station 2 udume ngokudlala disk
so okay sazi unjabulo umatatazela udume ngokudlala disk okay unjabulo ibhola uliqalaphi kanjani ubani umthandisi ibhola like yonke ijeni yakho sifuna ucaba kahle ijeni yakho yonke ukuthi khamba kanjani isukelaphi iyapi
mina umuntu angincanyisa idisk uMakriza mara i-team yami yokuqala bekuyibabugajeni iFC TKZ
bona ngakhe
ngicabanga bengisanabo ma7 8 then ngalimala ngahlala ekhaya maybe boma 3 months zathi mazithi 2012 December bengingasidlali ball December ngalandwa ulihle hamba noSicweli bengicala ukumbona nami makafika ekhaya vele washo ukuthi hayi ungazele egroundini nantontoni ngacabanga ukuthi uthumele ubabugajeni ngoba hamba noSicweli yabo ngoba nami uSicweli ngimazi ubabugajeni ngiyasho ngithi hayi yabo from Ndave la why
so which is uqale
TKZ
walanda ulihle so ulihle udlale how many years because of babugajeni bona how many years madlala
babugajeni benginabo ma 7 8 bese kulihle ngiqale ithi mangina 9 until ngiyenza 15 ngoba after 15 ngambile ngaya ku Rovers ngabuya ngaye Limpopo kuBaroka ngaya kwenye team bathi Venda Football Academy ngidlala KNFD manje then after that ngabuya ke la elikasi nje ngiloke ngiphanda
abona njani sijahile yabona njani ufuna ungibekele yona kahle ithona ngifuna nje icacise kahle njalo so kulihle ne which is kulihle it was Mountain Robbers
Mountain Robbers
coach wa
Mazagaza nolihle
which is not as big bekakhona yani so mawuqala la bona 9 years
bengina 9 years
bona 9 years since we pusha okay ligama elithi Matata livela before that njani ufuna i-background yakho uqala njani background check ukuthi endlini kahle endlini uphume ejaridini lebhola kwenzakalani kahle endlini background check nje ukuthi kwenzakalani ejaridini ukuze ube umuntu okudlala ibhola because of you all know ukuthi esikhathi sibhaya abantu abadlala ibhola it's those ones who comes from ama families are not privileged enough so abanye abantu bathini sisebenzele endlini ngebhola ufuna utshintsha impilo yasendlini ngebhola so ngifuna ukucaba vele from background check yakho ukuthi endlini bekuyinto esona so sikhula kanje ngikhula kanje ejaridini
mina endlini bengiwani ngikhuliswa umkhulu yabo elethwa nami ibhola ngilithande kangaka yabo ukuze nami ngikhona ukuthini ngibhekele umkhulu ngoba mina vele from ekukhuleni kwami vele bekunganabazali ngikhuliswa umkhulu yabo nami umkhulu vele bekalincane idisk yabo into nami ngiphelele into le ukuthi ayiqhubeka ntwana
so at the age of 9 years yaqhubeka udlala ibhola endlini balo bakusupport
umkhulu
kakhulu kuletha ama riding I believe ukuthi masifika nje lapha yini zibhayindo zikhona ama medal like maningi because of I believe uqala ukwini medal una 9 years
maningi
mabhaya kakhulu so
maningi
i-first medal yakho endlini if-ever maybe uyakhumbula ukuthi mawungena nayo le medal endlini ufile kanjani mkhulu nayi imedal yami yokuqala it was i-gold or silver or i-bronze which was it
imedal yami yokuqala bekuyi-gold bekuyi-silver zidliwa la December tournament
lendliwa yini
iPimbuzi Kontimbe bathi iPimbuzi
Botafo
sadliwa yiyo final final Easter yintwana yeah
so mawufika nayo medal omkhulu uyajabulela leyo silwane plus i-achievement endlini to see umntwana ungena nemedali especially at the age of 9 years
yeah.
So bacala lapho ukusupporta shuthi endlini nama-Cox bekuyinto abakuthengela zona
yeah vele ekukhuleni kwami i-Cox bekungasinto engisokolayo bengazi vele uma ngishoda nge-Cox ngizotshela umkhulu vele umuntu bekangiphatheli ama-Cox amakawu yabo izinto zokujima yeah
so njami into engiyitholayo kule conversation esikhulumayo mina nawe njani ukuthi empilweni yakho kahle the most important person odlala i-impact ebhayi empilweni yakho umkhulu. Tell us about umkhulu ukuthi how come uzuhlale nomkhulu uthifile kanjani la
eish besiploma si 3 endlini bekuyimi uMakriza nomkhulu then uMakriza wabhoda I think 2005 bengisanabo ma3 lapho 2005 from that vele since ngikhula nomkhulu sihlala sithu yeah
so nokhula nomkhulu so umkhulu support system yakho vele umuntu behaphile empilweni nani so esikela bogeleza va
primary bengigeleze inqubeka high school ngahamba ngayofunda elandulwazi ngaphuma elandulwazi ngahamba ngayilimpopo bazi khona enye high school bathi Gagaxo yeah
so uma uphuma yinja eLimpopo uphuma vele somjili umkhulu bhekanye phanda impilo engcono manje eLimpopo ubuye udlala ibhola eLimpopo ubuya ngithini eLogeleza
benyodlala ibhola eLimpopo bengibizwe iBaroka yeah
so ngadlali baba ibizi Baroka ibiza inika i-contract noma ibiza nje
like ngathi khona umuntu like bekaphilisana nomkhulu yabo omunye uMakriza bekaphilisana nomkhulu so ubhuti wakhe bekasebenza kuBaroka yabo batshela ubhuti wakhe ukuthi hayi man khona umfana endlini odlala ibhola so ucela nje if uzokhubeni la uzombona adlala lucky leyo vele uncle bebadlala eSoweto badlala neBhakani after a game wazwakala lapha endlini wazolala khona kusasa kwakhona sahamba sonke sayi groundini from da ngaqala lapho ke ukuthi hayi kwamele uphakamise iBaroka yakufuna nantonto yeah
alright ngiyakuzwa nje before sibuyisele futhi ke so mawudlala uthi udlale from 9 years to 15 years
kuRobas yeah
so ulihle noMazaza played a huge impact kuwe ekukhuleni kwakho kuRobas. Let's say do you believe ukuthi ulihle noMazaza wisi umatata lo simbonayo vandaag
ngenxa
yabo njalo
yeah
you believe that uthi niba bakhulumile kahle
yeah ngaphandle kwabo nje angiboni kube ngisadlala nebhola
so should be umuntu bese ulandelelwa nasebholeni uthi kokotela endlini buyile play lihluphayo noma
yeah mina mangikhula vele bengile play lihluphayo nokuphuma endlini ngithi ngejimini sengihleli nabangani abo estradini ngibuye late yabo coaches endlini azongiceba sinini ungilanda on weekend kwamele siyodlala yabo yeah
so okay ngiyakuzwa should be okay mina mangathi njami ngabe bengibuza maybe bengibuzela mina it was gonna be easy for me so conversate like because of umuntu okhula ngaphansi kwami umuntu engimbonile mangadlala ibhola
yeah
thina sazomatasa asakhula unjabula sakhula then bona abantu manje sebazo computer the name computer from matata livela va
yo khona elinye Hotman laseKasi abathi uThabanga ile la ngibhale egameni lithi computer belihlezi like li-attenda wonke ama-game engiwadlalayo yabo lihlezi lingibiza ngalo yabo abantu bamangala ukuthi hayi man ubani lo yabo then i-Easter tournament wangibiza ngizodlalela team bathi Midway team kaMakolo ku senior team yeah wabhaleza computer after that lelo gama lahlala
so how old were you mazodlala Easter yakho yokuqala
Easter yami yokuqala bengina 14
which is usadlala
bengisadlala ku Mountain Robbers
so bathatha la exposed.
Yeah.
How was it first time yakho mawuzodlala la? Because of in most instances thina mina ngicaba uMatata kuwumuntu uyagibela phezulu kwebhola jumpa phezulu kwebhola, but manje uMatata esimbona manje na before abasafani. Manje uMatata wamanje okay yes uyaligibela lo 2 minutes, but then manje gibela going forward. So uthatha ukuthi computer ukuyile into kuthina computer ucala ni game computer nje uzongena yenza ubumnqobi,
computer uzongena yenza ubumnqobi uzogibela ya
wangena nawe ithola leyo chance leyo. How was it?
Yo abengijabulile semthi. Yo babi kumnandi.
Plus 14 years of age intanga zakho sibhekelele wena neEast.
Yeah, nami into vele bengijabulisa le uthini khona abangani bami engidlala nabo abangakadlali ku senior team. Yeah, mara mina lo rate ngidlala khona. Into nami bengichaza ukuthi okay kusho khona ukuthi hayi khona la ngiyakhona nyaza
uyaphusha kahle kahle. So njami nje mawubuyela ku under 15 under 17 because of I believe uMazaza bongathi mona 14 years udlala under 15 mona 14 udlala under 17 bekile into beyi strategy sakho uthi amanda 14 15 years adlala under 17 under 17 under 13 it's 14 13 years into kanjalo. So after lo game le obviously sonegama computer le feeling yokuza abantwana abancane intanga zakho ziza kuwe lama hotman lawa iza kuwe hayi wena son unamasimba. So how was it?
Hayi bekumnandi. Yo angazi nokuthi ngayibeka kanjani.
So don't you think azange igwinye riding leyo yakwenza big headed wabona so ngcono phela manje after le Easter le you going back to development futhi uyodlala nentanga zakho?
Na azange ngiyenza ngaba big headed because khona umngani wami besikhula naye besidlala naye koRobas oRatilo Ram. Yeah uyu umuntu bekahlezi like aseduze kwami like uyu umuntu ocavayo ukuthi endlini kenzakalani yabo. So uyu umuntu bekangiguide ukuthi na indoda la ungaye la yabo. After ukudlala vele Easter sadlo ima penalty uye bekakhona mangiphuma egroundini angitshela ukuthi hayi indoda udlalile nantontoni mara ungayifakile inhloko leyo nto ungakenza ube big headed yabo, ngoba mawuzoba big headed ibhola lakho lizophelela khona la
ekhaya.
Yeah.
So abona wena usakhuluma ngoRama ufila kanjani nje uzombona no adlala le Mount West and uzobe adlala i-debut yakhe Nedbank since ba qualifyile angazi badlala nani ngikhohlwele club abadlala nabo but they play Nedbank. Did you see them?
Yeah ngibonile.
So like ufila kanjani ubone out yokhula nayo kanje nje usho i-choose yakho ayodlala eNedbank
I'm excited. Yabo ngiyambongela naye umfethu ukuthi lento lebe kayifuni ize yayenzeka yabo. Yeah.
Ay siyayiza leyo mfundo. So njami welakhula wadlala ku-Rovers uyisokubani futhi because of masuka ku-Rovers I guess uyaya ku-Rovers.
Yeah mangisuka ku-Rovers ngaya ku-Rovers. Ku-Rovers ngayiswa umunye ucoach bathi ucoach Fortune bekahlala ngale Kaslam. Yeah bekacoacha lapha Fortune ngoba bekwazi bekazi ukuthi kenzakalani bekangikhiphela ama joining fee yabo mangidinga iCox angikube uyo ngithengelayo.
Alright, so udlala isikhathi engakanani na ku-Rovers and what made you to come back futhi lokushini?
2 years. Dlale 2 years then kwafika khona omunye ucoach bebathi ucoach Thabo. Kwafika yena ucoach Thabo waxosha wonke ama-player bewakhona weza nesquad sakhe esisha. Yeah.
So yinto ekubuyise lokushini mabuye lokushini udlala isikhathi esingakanani lokushini before uzoye eLimpopo?
Lokushini maybe ngadlala 7 months or 6 months.
Besona ngakhi lapho?
Benginabo ma 15 yeah 15 yeah.
So it
ngisadlala kulihle. Yeah.
Then wava eLimpopo na 15 years.
Yes.
eLimpopo wadlala kuBaroka udlala isikhathi esingakanani kwa?
3 years.
Dlala 3 years.
Yeah.
So beyidlala ku-ABC or beyidlala ku-NFD?
Mina mangifika lapho
Yeah.
bedlala ku-NFD ya promoter nje yodlala ku-PSL. Yeah.
Maye wa promoter to PSL kwenzala.
Mina bekulapho bengidlala ku-under 17.
Ila ile ngisho ukuthi TDC uyithestile kahle.
Yeah, ngithestile.
Udlala isikhathi singanani?
Isizini e1.
TDC.
Yeah, maka nakhona bengisasentwana.
Bona uma years?
17.
17 years.
Yeah.
Then you came back to Ekasi. What made
Yeah.
you to come back Ekasi?
Ilento le enishoyo kuba Picarity. Yeah, bese ngicabanga ukuthi like ngiyazi and stuff yabo. Bo coach bangitshela ukuthi ngingayenza izinto ezikanje yabo. Mina ngizenze ngenkani. So bangicosha.
Yeah, sesela nje miyazi njani. Ama-rumors ele asho ukuthi nikhathi kuya le kubaroka. I guess mina bengibuye ngikufollowa vele ngidinga nawe njengoba ulive. So what happened is that uthini bamabuya like us, like there were rumors that saying matata sekabhema ama-drugs sekayenza lezi unjabula kasadlala ibhola because of I think elwadlala isikhathi nyani ngasadlala ibhola amaphuma.
Yeah.
So kwaze kadumane into lezi sobhema ama-drugs sokwenzakalani wena kwenzakalini ngaleso sikhathi leso njalo?
Mina ngathi mangibuya avela ithi ngithi abantu bazohlezi bakhuluma yabo bangazi uyiside lakho lesitulo yabo. Mina ngithe mangibuya ngarelax abo ma 3 months ngadlala ibhola yabo. Ama drugs bekungasiza izinto zabo. Abantu bebawabhembe yilabantu engihamba nabo yabo. Bekuyindintshi zami straight ezaselukishini yabo. So abantu vele bebazongibala la because ngihamba nabo. Angithola bengazi ukuthi naye mangiphuma endlini ngibajidini yabo and abajida vele babhema la yini. Yeah.
So bakujaja ngala lengileyo ukuthi because of ikopi yakho ikanje then you also a part and parcel of couple lento le.
Yeah, nangapha yabo abajida bekuyikhuthane yabo. Yeah, nami ngisajabuliswa ilezo zinto ngisaseyintwana yabo.
Jabulisa into ezincane.
Yeah, ngijabuliswa ukubhizi ngithelana ama ultrameds in there.
And the easily influence forgetting ukuthi yena i-charity nayifani nabanye abajida.
Yeah.
So wakhula njani wakhula wabuya le kubaroka wabuya ngayikasi wabuya mabuya uzodlala ngayikasi wabuya uzodlala le ayi
Ngadlala ayi yeah.
wadlala ayi and ayi udlale isikhathi sibhayi isikhathi side la
Ngidlala isikhathi sibhayi ngoba ayi ngicela nini if I'm not mistaken from 2020 mangibuye. Yeah, since ngidlala ayi
2020 ucike nini udlala kayi
ithi singasho ukuthi 2024 ngoba vele iclub yabo besisixabene baba khona bayekayo nami.
So yini eyenza ukuthi wena ayinje ngixabane kahle because I'm more interested in that because of even today I don't think when usahalela nekudlala kayi nokudlala kulo kanjani because of nama-rumors ukuthi okay ngixabane leader because of aye was one of the big teams like us.
Yeah.
Like it was it was one of the big teams. We were coming very well. Beni group A1 and the footy it was nice because of Khotmanda, Abu Mamba, Abu Pino, like being Khotmanda Mabaya. So energy a good player, I'm a good players and I'm a quality players pay. Because I be quality young Pandora. What made you routine I break kanji de iphuke ngakhona because if I don't think ayeliya manje sesinto eyiwani yini yenze yonke leyo ngqabane le
imali yabo saxabaniswa imali sisodwa ngabajida yabo ngoba khona bebafuna ukukhola imali eningi ukudlula bobani yabo like nami lapho bengiyintwana yabo mina vele bengisesayidini labo umzizi yabo bomzizi bathandwa isikhulu yabo bese boskopasi bona basithanda isikhulu yabo izinto ezinjalo. So njalo makushare imali le group le yabo umzizi kwamele kube yethola imali eningi yabo boskopasi saqabana kanjalo.
So kahle imali bengixabanisa because of isikhulu noma khishwa something khona abanika madala side khona abanika madala side.
Now isikhulu yena bekayikhipha sonke siphelele sibone ukuthi nangu lo uthole 800 lo uthola 1.5 lo uthola 300 sonke siyabona ikhipha phambili sonke akunakuthi hayi wena ubani makafuna ukukunika i300 yakunika makazizwa lokhu umnika i800 yamnika into yasixabanisa ngoba obopino nobomzizi thina nami ngiyazibala lapho nobothuni like bekuyithi sihlezi sithola imali eningi bajida bahlezi babuza ukuthi like why kuba yilaba abathola imali eningi yabo yeah kwagcina kwacabana izinto ezinjalo.
So don't you believe when which maybe you deserve that money or ilento yokuthi ubone ngathi iyo lento le emotionally team isikhulu esimoshele isikhulu team riding le or uya believe ukuthi ayivele nambe kumele ngihole kangaka laba abadlala kancane laba abadlala kangaka.
Mina ngokuya kwamanje ngisho ukuthi ya leyo mali bekwamele ngiyihole yabo mara ngaleso sikhathi ngisaseyintwana yabo leyo mali leyo yenza ukuthi yabo ngingayibeka kanjani
bengendlela ufuna ukuyibeka ngayo emakhayeni straight forward nje amasifuna ukuthi abantu lese kusasa sesikhiphile episode sekuthiwa uyini ngani ayizwa vele ibeke le way ufuna ukuyibeka ngakhona where you think ukuthi like best ngakhona ngawe wena uyibona ngakhona nje
basijwayeza imali sasebancane yabo sakhohlwa ukuthi no okay kwamele sidlala ibhola silandele into esithandayo yabo sesikhohle ukuthi no okay mina sengidlala ibhola ngenxa ukuthi ibhola ngiyalithanda sengiyangalento ukuthi na ibhola ngiyalidlala ngoba ngifuna imali ukuyikhulu yeah
so lento le imosha ibhola lasekhaya you believe that lento le imali imosha ibhola lasekhaya
yasikhawathi hayi futhi mina ngiwani sonke singama play ngoba yasikhawathi uyagcina sodlalela ama team amaningi uya ngokuthi awusikhululwa akakunika ngamali ufuna uya komunye isikhulu ozokunika imali engcono kunakuloya yabo lapho ama team phela uyazi ama team awafani khona abantu abasebenzisa izinto zabo yabo inde mawuloku uhamba ufaka yonke lento le kwayibhola lakho igcine sele yawo ugcina ungasazi ukuthi kenzakalini yabo yeah
so you mean lento le imali imosha ability skill asekhaya and it made a huge impact to because of I heard abantu ababhaya bathi lento mawuyiplay udlala ama team amaningi uyazi lapha kusebenzisa umuthi lapha kusebenzisa umuthi so igcina iaffecta wena as umuntu personally
yeah
so lento le iyenzeka umuntu spiritually obeliever ku spiritually umuntu obeliever culturally so obviously asifana abantu khona abantu ababelieve ku culture khona abantu ababelieve esontweni yethu so as umuntu wena uyazi ukuthi mina because of ngiyasonta and ngisebenzisa ile ngiso yethu mawungena egroundini usebenzisa umuthi lo oyabawusebenzisa amanye ama-club because of maningi ama-club asebenzisa umuthi and siyayazi even professional teams khona ama-teams asebenzisa umuthi
yeah
so wena kuwe uthi yeleka ku-affecta riding leyo or because of now besoyiplayer edlala all over
nami ike ing-affectile riding because yabo like abantu abaningi manje yabo bahlezi bangitshela into one ukuthini like hayi thina sifuni lo computer lo amanje yabo sifuna lo yamatatazela lo yabo and namanye ithi ngicabanga like lezo zinto lezo abazifunayo lezi bengizenza kudala ngiyakhona ukuzenza namanje it's just that akusafani nasekuqaleni yabo
so understand ama basics e football
yeah
so
akusafani nasekuqaleni
asadlaleli kumnandi
nje obvious manje sesidlala ukuthini team kwamele iwini khona into esifunayo yabo yeah asadlaleli ukuthina as long abantu bajabulile yeah
so udlalela ukuthi kumele kube nesinkwa nawe usibeke endlini no not like before uqaleni nami mawuhola maybe lapha
uqaleni
mbakunika 3 hour leyo 3 hour yoliphuza
bengingaphuzile ke lapho bengisaseyintwana bengingazi mix ngemali bengithi mangicela ukuhola ngisemali endlini ngifike ngikhuluna imali bengingazi ukuthi ngiyenzeni ngayo benginika umkhuluna imali athi hayi okay mebangiphe lelo 100 ayihamba uyosijabulisa ngabangani bakho afike bajideni spam kakhulu kube mnandi
so manje so I understand the imali
yeah manje sengiyazi ukuthi okay imali mangithiwa kwamele kuyenzakala
kwenzekala sona so sene plan imali rather than before so ngitshele nje after you made igama lakho ePalmbridge for Mithokoza you moved igama lakho ayibeka ePalmbridge where you utrenda ngoVimo
yeah
so what happened maqedwe trenda ngoVimo snaps because of obvious sonke siyazi uVimo ukuthi mo post uVimo ukuthi umnandi yethu so what happened what changed empilweni yakho after upost uVimo snaps because of ngiyakhumbula le post wakhuluma nabantu ukuthi abantu be football nali play so what changed ngwazangi changing impilo vele yaqhubeka le baby ngakhona
for me impilo vele yaqhubeka le baby ngakhona azange ngenzakale next kwaba nje ilokuthi uVino wapost yabo phela then ngiyaphelela lapho.
So wena after that azange usaziphusha nawe ngalendlela obuzifuna ngayo or push impilo ngalendlela ofuna uthini ufike ngakho, because I still believe you still young, still can make it kuma PSL level, because of namanje ngibonile bodlala ku Milan. So and Milan which is ithathile what's this tournament that's it Gram Ibrals games na ithathile Milan oyifaka ku last 16 last 8 last 16 or
last 16 zliwa ma 10
for me team engacaviwa and kakhulu bekuvela computer that ipressure leyo bengakushaya ukuthi
ipressure mina bengangishaya yabo ngoba like bengazi ukuthi abantu enginabo yabo ngiyazi ukuthi lento engifuna ukuthi bayiyenze bangayiyenza yabo mara at the same time bengithuka yabo kuba nalento ukuthini amehla azoba kimi kuphela ukuthi yilo yabo yeah.
So like coming to prize games ungezinye in most cases abantu bakwazi ukuthi usipana ne so how was it like lento leyo azange maybe affect somewhere or you were just going there mina ngomatata I'm going there to play football?
Mina yangidlala ngokuthi mangiyodlala le ku prize like ngidlalela amanye ama team yabo because like abantu basazisi yabo siphelele like nabo bahlezi bazi ukuthi ngikwayenzakalani ngale ntwana lezi yabo ngoba bezidlala idisk elimnandi and nami nokuthi vele mangiye eground nabantu bangibuza ukuthi ayipheleliphi nale team le nabo manje angeke utshele umuntu ukuthi saxabaniswa imali vele usho ukuthi abajita abanye basadlala yabo yeah.
So do you think when if you can get manje mangatholi isikole esigrade lezi or mhlali phansi ne-emergency ngibonisi engalunga ngale mini
for mina mthando saya ngibona
washo kanjani nje
ngisho kanje ngoba sesidlalile nabajita yabo this year.
Ngikuzwa umenshina umzizi kapaya and mention kwakho umzizi like ngathi ne tension yana ekhona around umzizi ngathi amajita amabhala ne issue umzizi yayithola
yeah.
So why do you think yenzeka riding le
abanye abajita yazi singama players siyafelana yabo siyangokuthi hayi lo yangidlula yabo nantontoni yabo
yeah.
Mara mina nje side ndami yabo umzizi nje Frostani khona yabo naye ngambala kule list le yabo lihle yabo because naye idlalile iphathi empilweni yami yabo like bekakhona ukuthi angilande endlini akhona ama cogs yabo bekuloyo umuntu ongikhuthalele ukuthi nama ntwana yami woza mana yabo yeah.
So umuntu bekazama ukuthi nawe push impilo yakho ukuthi ifike somewhere
yeah.
To your pick. Do you think wena njani ufile in the stage where ufuna ufika khona hore there's still more umatata esombona than before because of obviously ama performance ama seasons awafana
yeah.
So the player le tournament the player league yalibona so when do you believe you play the tournament or you play the league or you need it to make ready so that uzofika reach out whatever goals ofuna ukuzireach because of these goals I guess ozosetele wona ngokwakho uthi okay no ngenzile sona so but then if ever get it make ready no ethi intwana nayo into esona icontract ungayenza the most
yeah.
So awukahlahla ama goals akhambi kanjani manje
mina
I guess you are 24 years ne?
turning 24
yeah. 23 sadlala kanjani sa qualify
yeah.
So don't you think angeke uyithola i-team ngalesikhathi lesi or you still wanting for i-team or khona la usabheke khona
i-team ngayithola yabo and khona nabantu abangilandile abadlala iCastle yabo bathi ngize ngizobancedisa abaselokishini eVilalisi bathi ngize ngizobancedisa for le season le yabo for mina nje iCastle ngibone ngathi ngibuyele emuva yabo at least mangathi ngithola i-team nje edlala kumtsibi yabo ila ngizokhona nami ukuziprova khona ukuthini ngayenzani ngakhona ukufika phambili
But you start somewhere before you get somewhere. Don't you think team mongaya kuloda team evalelisa udlale maybe le season angithi yabanceda maybe season seyaphela no udlale lo season le uyiqede then maybe khona uzokubona that asimakazi ngibona le mangayithi da somewhere maybe agent nyana ucabanga ukuthi into enjalo ingayenzeka
nokuyicabanga mangihleli ngiwana bo mara ngiphinde ngibone ukuthini ngakhe ngayidlala ikhasela yabo azange yasisa ndawo i-team egcina siyithengiswa yabo
so manje intanga unya uceda ukucala nonjalo azini nje basikhathele ikhamera nje ngisabuza nje ngithini besina since sona 24 years this year njalo ane apa abantu abafuna ukubona somewhere maybe getting a team and so what are your plans kahle this year?
This year my plans I'm like about ukujima ngithole like i-team yabo stable engazi ukuthi like la ngifuna ukufika khona ngafika nginayo or ngafika ngenxa yabo yabo yeah.
So njami we can see ufuna i-team stable when awenzani to get that team because of masothi ufuna i-team yes uthatha ufuna i-team then what are you doing ufuna i-team sitting back but then masothi ufuna i-team what are you doing right now at this moment
ngisazama ngisazama khona elinye hotman lase Pambridge elingitheki maybe boma second week ka February yabo sizozama ukungithatha ngiyo-assessa kwenye team edlala kumtsipi hotman lase D le ujem no-Costa Vele Prals yeah
so when so far so good do you think you fit enough ukuthi ungafika la wenza into ezi-right because of yes utata uyalazi ibhola but if ever i-fitness yakho ayiba mechi da it's obvious ibhola lasebutshani ibhola lasemhlabathini
ayifani
uyathola utshani buyasinda umhlabathi usimbu uyayithola and mawujwayele ibhola lasemhlabathini kunzimanyana ukuthi u-adjust ile so wena what are you doing now ayikho maybe club nyana edlala ilikinyana edom like us or ilikinyana ingathi edom now ilikinyana ya like us all lamalika like us
ikhona
so yini
i-Villa Lisa Highlanders idlala nje lityala e-Fourth Stadium yeah ngisho ukuthi weekend masingadlali yabo nyaya inodlala iligi yabo masidlala kuya ngesikhathi ukuthi ngidlala what time yabo if isikhathi asixashi nyaya iligini yeah
don't you think monga investor isikhathi sakho no thathe nje lo nyaka uzitshela ukuthi yazi investor okudlaleni iligi itsila ikhaselo ke-ABC ngi-invest nje isikhathi sami ngeke ibhola lasebhucwini kancane don't you think it will make an impact I'm not saying ibhola lasekhasa lenzela abajita istyle isclave siyabenzela abajita bisiya bojwaha no bisiya borama bisiya bogeneral yabo sosha basuke ebholweni la ebhucwini like us bisiya bophupho babathathe ebhucwini. But don't you think if you have a club is stable nyana the likes of Snani like us Nikato Juventus like 2 minutes, don't you think my investors cuts are caught up with Uchine that league straight? Don't you think you won't go somewhere because of I believe Nikato Juventus in Tanzania.
Yeah,
so don't you think we are eating a platform layer abanayo layer structure abanaso Nikato Juventus because of manje manginokuibheka kahle like us I guess abantu abane platform engathi i-better or a-grand i-Caterham Juventus because of they train together, they play together, ama-tournament badlala babonke. So don't you think wena uthi ngiyayinida leyo space leso?
Yeah, so nangiyasinida so ukuthi nje yabo ku-Caterham Juventus ile nto engiyishiye ukuthi thina singama-player yabo khona la ungadlala khona la ungeke udlale khona yabo mina ngokubona kwami nami ngiyafisa it's not like angifisi ngiyafisa ukuthi abajita ngadlala nabo yabo ngibe yiphathi yabo mara mina ngokubona kwami like angiboni ukuthi ucoach wakhona ngangivumela.
wena mawuthi ucoach wakhona ngakuvumela uyazidoubt wena or uzitshela ukuthi they will think you are big headed or so nani because of if we check now njalo like us the only person engathi udevelop ama player grand u2 minutes so wena no 2 minutes ingena xashana somewhere or wele wayenzala
sakhe saxashana ngenxa kalihle yabo yeah
so what happened kahle
isidlala esomhlolo u2 minutes awobhulihle yabo baphikisana yabo bagcina sekenzakala mu2 minutes wabekulihle isandla yabo saxabana from lapho ke nathi sayingena ezingama play ngoba besingafuni nje umuntu sibona ulihle level besazi ukuthi akusumuntu uyimbi yabo yeah so nathi singama players saya ku2 minutes abalwisa yena yabo sithi silwela ulihle
so ngitshele nje phela ibhola ngithi ibhola li emotional nje ibhola li emotional into yaningi lebo sesemncane mina leso sikhathi 3 years back 4 years back so
yeah
so don't you think u2 minutes yena usesenayo lento leyo usayikhumbula noma ngathi usayikhumbula but don't you think uthi mawuyara njengomuntu na umuntu uyara amqeqesha uGrand ngabo nje nanje umncane at the end of the day umdala 2 minutes if ekamele uxolise don't you think angaxola or phela manje sesikhulumela ngefuture yakho sesikhulumela ngefuture yakho if sifuna ifuture yakho ibe Grand futhi wena so ngahlule kuyozithoba la ukuthi hayi emqeqeshi ngiyakhumbula kwenzeka so but then nathi ngalesa sikhathi lisa besicabanga lento leyo because obviously now ngabe bekuye ulihle maybe we were gonna do the same thing now even ama players did the same thing now yabo now ngabe bekumazakaza against babugajini when udlalela umazakaza so uyasibozolwa ngababugajini right so don't you think wena mongaya ingalungisa yonke le ngenzo because manje sikhulumela ifuture yakho isikhathi asihlala asimanga sekhona 17 manje na 24 years ngimpola la South Africa in most cases 32 years somdala 25 years somdala 26 27 somdala so ninyaka no don't you think the exposure uthi uyayidinga angeke uyithole la I'm not saying uzuyithola la phela but then finding ama teams around like us adlala a proper league and a proper structure don't you think when the structure sakhona it's good enough for you because mina ngiyiwani if I was the agent or omunye umuntu wakho I was going to say matata ntanga kusasa siyavuka kusenzo uxolisa 2 minutes ifamily isixolisa but for kulungisela wena into zakho ngada uyoxolisa don't you think when in the Grand le
yeah in the Grand le nami ngiyacabanga le mara ithi mina ngivile ngithini ngizoya kuwe ngikhuluma naye ngizama ukuxolisa kuwe yeah
so that's the only thing we regret okay wayenza maybe ku football inenye okwayenza like we regret ukuthi ngayenza ngalesa sikhathi efootballing but manje I believe ukuthi ngabe bekuyile isikhathi samanje bengeke ngisayenza
angiboni ukuthi khona
iyokuphela nje so njalo sesivala ke no yabo cula ukaya abajida like intwana ezincane ezingaphansi wakho computer no you have a name you made a name so ibrand manje so ibrand wena kahle ibrand matata nomama la study izingakhe intwana ezikhonda zibhala amahotman akhonda yanga yayithola so ibrand kahle indlela oziphatha ngayo indlela mele abantu bakwazi ngayo yayithola so kule intwana lezi sintwana ibhekile episode yakho kusasa ithi ngiyangena la ku YouTube it's okay thinyo bhekile matata uthi bengathini la into ongayisho kuzo lezo ntwana lezo
ukuthi zingapheli imoya intwana yabo zichubeke ezizame zingaya fair zithanda igym yabo zingabi neattitude izimamela abazali yabo yeah
into ongayisho
into engingayisho for zona
so ezenzile bafethu nimzwile umatata bafethu computer sonke siyamazi bafethu ezashilo 24 years of age usazophusha kaningi bafethu. To everybody who's watching this, can you please like, comment, share and subscribe bafethu. Since it's our channel to see Kulisa, please bafethu, as in touch that notification button bafethu, so that we can grow and get this into equipment right so that we can give you quality content anything because of I know very well baningi abantu abafuna content but then because of equality yethu nani izinto zethu bafethu, we need your support so that nathi sikhule sibe baningi. And all thanks to Austin to If Senses bafethu to give us indawo ukuthi shoot videos like this. So bafethu gini from mina to nina ngithini asibonge siphinde sithokoze, mangathokozanga thina yophinde thokoze bani. Thank you. Computer njalo.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga.